Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this equation. We have 4 exponent x plus 2 is equal to 100. So we are solving for x in this problem. So we have 4 exponent x plus 2 is equal to 100. Please, if today is the first time of visiting our channel, please kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy and help this channel grow. Thank you for doing that. So from here, know that can we write this as 4 exponent x multiplied by 4 exponent 2 is equal to 100. Okay, so 4 exponent x multiplied by 4 squared is 16, which is equal to 100. So with this, we divide both sides by 16. So this one will cancel this. So we are going to get 4 exponent x is equal to 100 over 60. Okay, 100 over 16. So our 4 exponent x is equal to, now 4 goes into 16 4 times and goes into 125 times. Okay, so we are going to get 25 on 4. Okay, so from here we can introduce logarithm to both sides, which is equal to log 4 exponent x, then log 25 over 4. According to the laws of logarithm, we can rewrite this as x log 4, which is equal to log 25 minus log 4. Okay, so from here, can divide both sides by log 4. So divide both sides by log 4. 4. 4. So this one will cancel this, leaving x is equal to, and then this, which is log 25 on log 4 minus this goes into itself 1 goes here. So 1 over 1 is 1. So from here, we see that our x is equal to log 25. We can rewrite it as log 5 exponent 2 all over log. This 4 can express as 2 exponent 2 minus 1. So our x is equal to 2 log 5 on 2 log 2 minus 1. Okay. So this one will cancel this, leaving x is equal to log 5 on log 2 minus 1. So from here, we can change this to base, a similar base, okay, change of base. So applying change of base, which is log a over log b, which results in log a base b. So our equation now becomes x is equal to log 5 base 2 minus 1. Okay, so our final answer for x is equal to log 5 base 2 minus 1. This is our final answer for the question. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.